And then I'm gonna zoom in. Bam! Speakers on the A6, and we're gonna test that out right now. Here's one thing though. Look, you see how the speaker is on the side right here? If you cover it up, sound is gone. But this thing is beast. This is loud. And it's super clear. Let me try something else. The on and off button is right there under the speakers. Guys, it's super, super clear. The audio quality is really nice on the A6. I'm serious. Here's the microphone, so let me get it close to the microphone. All right, let's look at some visually nice video that's in high definition. I'm gonna turn on 4K. You see how the blacks are hella crisp? The AMOLED display is amazing. Let me make sure it's full brightness. You guys can see it very clearly. Now check it out. Yeah, let me try to get the glare away. Okay, that's better. You guys see that quality? What do you guys think? Look, when I go to settings, you see the quality? You guys see that? 720. But it's super clear. Honestly, this phone is bomb. I'm thinking of getting this for myself now. And you see that display? Yeah, so let me do full screen on YouTube so you can see if it's edge to edge. All right, I'm gonna... Yes, that's the full screen. There's no notch. It is edge to edge. You just have the bezels right here. And then I'm gonna zoom in. Bam! Battery life, 3000 milliamp battery. And because this is a 720 AMOLED display, it'll last a long time. Guys, this is honestly the best phone to get right now. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.